Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making Quinoa Purslane kichidi. It is very delicious and nutritious one-pot meal. This is fresh purslane from my garden. If you don't have purslane, you can use spinach. Next, here I have 1 cup of quinoa and 3/4 cup of tur dal. First I am going to wash quinoa and tur dal. After washing the quinoa and tur dal, take them into the instant pot and add finely chopped purslane. As I said earlier, you can use spinach in the place of purslane. When I buy spinach from stores, I'm afraid it contains fertilizers or pesticides. But this backyard purslane has no pesticides and no fertilizers. So I'm happy to use this, and it is very nutritious. I recommend everyone to use purslane if it is available to you. I made a lot of recipes with purslane and they are available on my channel. Add 4 cups of water. Cook them in the instant pot for 10 minutes in the pressure cook mode, or you can cook in the pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Oh, I almost forgot the green chili. Add 3 to 4 green chilies also. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a small pan and heat it on medium heat. When the ghee is hot, add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few cashew nuts, 2 to 3 red chilies, few curry leaves, a big pinch of hing, and then a few finely chopped onion. Keep stirring them. Also grate about 1 piece of ginger. Fresh ginger gives a nice taste for kichidi. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and switch off the flame. Here you can see quinoa, tur dal and purslane cooked really well. Now go ahead and add the prepared tempering. I also added 1 cup of water to adjust the consistency. So altogether I used 5 cups of water. Add the salt and mix it well. If you want your kichidi little spicy, you can add some red chili powder. I added half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Also adding 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste gives a nice tanginess for kichidi. You can also add 1 teaspoon of kichidi masala if you have. In my other kichidi recipes, I added kichidi masala also, but today I just wanted a little mild kichidi, so I am not adding the kichidi masala, but you can add if you want. Add finely chopped cilantro and switch off the flame. You can serve it hot with your favorite pickle and a papad. It is a delicious and nutritious one-pot recipe. It is also a good lunchbox recipe. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel for more recipes.